Hey guys, what's going on? Chris here from Axle Advanced once again with another install video, and today we're going to be going over the Equinox install for the LV-119 plate carriers. We're going to be showing this off with a gutted modified LV-119 back plate pad to show you how this is going to work on the inside, so to give you guys a better understanding of how to put this together, as this one will require a few extra steps. With that being said, let's get right into it. So your kit is going to come with your cummerbund, your normal Equinox wedges, and shock cord, but also is going to come with these pieces right here. So these are the LV-119 wedge kits. These are to ensure that you're able to install the Equinox with no issues, and that way the cummerbund doesn't slip out. All right, so let's go ahead and grab your wedges right here. You're gonna start on one side. We're gonna open this up for a visual representation. Go ahead and put these wedges through the bottom two holes and the top two holes as shown. So right there. And right there. I'm going to take a cord right here and route it through the top like so. Tie a knot on the top one like so right here. Perfect. I'll do the same for the bottom. All right. And now just repeat the same for the other side. All right, awesome. Now your wedge kit has been installed. We can proceed with the cummerbund. All right, so go and take one side of your cummerbund, put them through the zipper panel section right here, so a little opening right here. And you put it right under the wedge kit. And we'll go 2 in for this one. And while you're here, go ahead and put your wedge in now. And we'll do the same when we get the other cummerbund in. And as you can see, visual representation, this wedge here is going to prevent the Equinox wedge from coming out, so it creates a channel for it to stay in place. Take your other cummerbund as shown, route it through that same channel. Just go ahead and route it like so. And now you're going to take your pieces of shock cord come included with your kit, route them through. I like to go from the top as always, one piece of shock cord per each wedge, and go ahead and route them through the associating holes. So we'll go ahead and do it to the bottom of the plate bag to show how you guys will do it for y'all. So we'll start with this one, route your hole, get that nice and tight. Start routing like so. Go and pull the slack out, and we'll go and put this on top. Go ahead and tie this down. And we'll do the same for this side right here. Start routing. Before you tie it off, go ahead and pull all the slack out. One last time, cut off your excess and burn it. And like that, your Equinox has been installed on your LV-119. As always, if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below or at our support team's email, support@axleadvanced.com. As always, you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.